हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन रनिंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, हम लोग बात करेंगे पाई नेटवर्क या पाई क्रिप्टो करेंसी से रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चंस माइंड में आते हैं उनका क्या आंसर है। दोस्तों, जिस तरह से लास्ट लेक्चर्स में हमने बात की थी कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस की, जिसमें कि बात की थी कि पीआई क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द पीआई, एंड पीआई इज़ नॉट अ फ्री मनी, इस पर हमने बात की थी। साथ ही साथ बात की थी इज़ द रियल, इज़ पीआई इज़ अ स्कैम, इसके बारे में बात की थी। और फिर हमने बात की थी हाउ डज़ दिस ऐप वर्क, हाउ डू आई अर्न मोर पीआई। आज हम लोग आगे बात करेंगे जिसमें कि माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि डू आई नीड टू लीव द ऐप ओपन टू माइंड, डज द ऐप ड्रेन माई बैटरी और डेटा। तो दोस्तों, इसका आंसर जो मिला है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू डू नॉट नीड टू लीव द ऐप ओपन टू माइंड मतलब दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर अर्निंग की बात की जा रही है। पीआई डज नॉट अफेक्ट योर फोन्स परफॉर्मेंस, ड्रेन योर बैटरी और यूज़ योर नेटवर्क डेटा। यहाँ क्लियर आउट हो गया। And once you hit the lighting button, you can even close the app and you will continue to the mine in PI। आगे यहाँ पे जो बताया गया कि सो हाउ कैन यू माइन अ क्रिप्टो करेंसी विदाउट ड्रेनिंग योर बैटरी और डेटा। किसी प्रकार का बैटरी डेटा नहीं स्पेंड होता। इंस्टेड ऑफ बर्निंग एनर्जी एज अ प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क क्रिप्टो करेंसी लाइक बिटकॉइन डू, PI सिक्योर्स इट्स ledger when members watch for each other as trustworthy. This form a network of interlocking security circles, that is security circle यहाँ पे बताया गया, and that determines who can execute transactions. This novel approach allows crypto mining on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no financial cost and no battery drain and a light footprint on the planet. Also बताया गया read the technical section in your white paper for more accurate and detailed explanation। यहाँ से इस क्वेश्चन का हमें आंसर क्लियर हो गया। नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे माइंड में क्वेश्चन आता है, नेक्स्ट वाई डू अर्लियर मेंबर्स माइंड एट अ हायर रेट। तो इसका आंसर यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई मिलता है कि अर्लियर मेंबर्स माइंड एट अ हायर रेट टू रिवॉर्ड कंट्रीब्यूशन, दैट इज यहाँ पे हमें उनको मिलता है रिवॉर्ड कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द नेटवर्क व्हेन they are most needed. Then PI aims to be the world's most widely used and distributed cryptocurrency. To achieve the goal, PI incentives its earliest members to make contributions that will ensure its success. That is, example securing and growing the network to reflect the importance of early contribution. The rate of mining decreases as more people join the network, and also at this time the base rate of mining halves every time the number of active users increases by the factor of 10, and this rate will be eventually fall to 0 when your network reach a certain number of users, and also 10 million या 100 million. At that point, just like a Bitcoin, miners will continue to be rewarded through the transaction fees and not through mining of a new currency। यहाँ पे क्लियर आउट किया गया कि वाई डू अर्लियर मेंबर्स माइन एट अ हायर रेट, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर रिवॉर्ड कंट्रीब्यूशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द एम्बेसडर रोल एंड हाउ डज द अर्निंग टीम वर्क। तो यहाँ पर जो बात की गई है, एज अ एम्बेसडर you earn up to 25% bonus on your base mining rate for each person you invite the network, and then you become an ambassador when new members join your earning team by using your invitation code when they sign up for PI network. Each members of your earning team provides 25% boost of your earning when they are actively mining. A new member can only be added to their inviters earning team because each member only joins PI once using one inviter या invitation code. In other words, unlike the security circles where the people can be added into multiple members, circle based on the trust. Earning teams are fixed based on who invited whom. Each invited in the world can only be claimed by one inviter. देन नेक्स्ट बात ये आती है माइंड में कि व्हाट इज़ द कंट्रीब्यूटर रूल एंड हाउ डू आई बिकम अ कंट्रीब्यूटर. तो यहाँ पे जो रेक्टिफाई किया गया दैट इज बिकम अ कंट्रीब्यूटर अलाउ यू टू अर्न मोर पी आई बाय बिल्डिंग सिक्योरिटी सर्किल. दैट इज 3 to 5 टेस्टेड मेंबर इज नीडेड. और यहाँ बात करते हैं आगे तो पी आई कंट्रीब्यूटर रोल बिकम्स अनलॉक्ड फॉर द यूजर्स आफ्टर यू finish 3 mining session as a pointer. After 3 days of mining, you will be see a new coin, new icon of the security circle on the home screen of the app, which you can click to start and to become a contributor. You need to add 3 to 5 people who you trust to your security circle. बात की जाए कि सिक्योरिटी सर्किल क्या है, व्हाट इज सिक्योरिटी सर्किल. तो सिक्योरिटी सर्किल बेसिकली एक ग्रुप है, ग्रुप ऑफ 3 to 5 ट्रस्टेड पीपल, 3 to 5 trusted people जो कि build up by each of PI member. And security cycle secure the currency by building a global trust graph that prevents bad actors from executing fraudulent transactions. बात करते हैं आगे. while the जब crypto currency like bitcoin secure with their ledgers by forcing miners to burn energy, that is a proof of work, and PI secures its ledger when its member watch for each other trustworthy. PI contributor watch for each other by building security circle comprised of 3 to 5 members and they deem as a trustworthy. Then security circle should be comprised of people you trust not to execute fraudulent transactions, and the network security circles from a global trust graph that determines who can be trusted execute transaction on PI ledger. अब बात करते हैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ PI. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो कि हमारे माइंड्स में रहता है किसी भी PI नेटवर्क में. तो अब बात करें टुडे PI वर्थ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली $0 Euro ETC is similar to Bitcoin in 2008, but PI value will be back by the time attention goods and services offered by other members of the network. Next यहाँ बताया गया कि by pulling our attentions goods and services around a common currency, PI members seek to capture more of that value. Typically goes to bank, technology giants, that is Facebook and Amazon, and other intermediaries. Today we are laying the infrastructure of the digital currency and marketplace by distributing the currency, building the community, and developing the technology to ensure its security. नेक्स्ट यहाँ बहुत क्वेश्चन आता है कि कैन आई विदड्रॉ माई PI. व्हाट इज़ द टाइम लाइन फॉर विदड्रॉल. नो, यू कैन नॉट विदड्रॉल PI येट. You will be able to withdraw PI या exchange of PI other currency in phase 3 of the project when PI transactions are fully decentralized in blockchain. PI launch phase 1 of the project on 3/14/2019 PI day, and during phase 1 your balance are being recorded with the guarantee of the being honored when the PI transaction is maintained. Phase 3 transfer of PI are restricted until we reach maintain to prevent bad actors from the accumulating PI from the fake accounts. For example, a bad actor would mine from fake account, transfer the PI to a legitimate account, and then pass through the PI account verification process despite their elects gains. We are still refining the exact development timeline for the project, and for more details please refer the roadmap section on the white paper. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं कि व्हाट विल बी PI वर्थ समथिंग, व्हेन कैन आई टर्न PI इनटू अ रियल मनी. तो यहाँ पे बताया क्या है कि PI होल्डर्स विल बी एबल टू टर्न PI इनटू अ रियल मनी when they either purchase goods and services on PI marketplace on a exchange PI for a fiat currency. Cryptocurrency holders have two options for the tuning their holdings into a real money or to cash out, directly purchasing goods and services with their crypto, yeah, exchanging their crypto into for fiat currency, that example dollar, euro, etc. on cryptocurrency exchange. First, that is directly purchasing goods and services without your PI. PI network is building a peer-to-peer marketplace where our members will be able to directly spend PI to buy goods and services. We aim to start experimenting with in-app transfer of PI as soon as Q4 2019. And second is the exchanging PI for the flat for the fiat currency on the uh, cryptocurrency exchange. PI core team does not control when cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, etc. decide to the list of PI. However, PI will be able to trade it in the phase 3 of the project, that is mainnet, and at the point exchange can choose to the list PI. In the meanwhile, PI core team is focused on the implementing or technical roadmap to the reach phase 3. नेक्स्ट माइंड में क्वेश्चन आता है कि कैन आई माइन फ्रॉम मोर देन वन डिवाइस, या हाउ डज द नेटवर्क प्रिवेंट फेक अकाउंट्स बॉट ETC फ्रॉम अर्निंग PI? नो, you cannot mine from more than one device. The network has strict rule of one account per person, and PI uses a multi-pronged strategy to ensure PI is not a mined by fake accounts. Then first, the network use Google recipe capture recapture V3 to know if a device is operated by a human or machine. This technology is completely invisible to most users since they are real humans, but bots maybe start seeing captures. Its Google algorithm catches them. And over time, we are also developing a machine learning algorithm based for real users mining their behavior to predict bots. Second, PI consequence algorithm requirement, that is security circle, make it easy to detect fake accounts, and fake accounts will not be have enough real people pointing at them via security circle. At the best, fake accounts should be pointing at each other with the very few incoming pointers from the rest of the network. This anomaly too easy to detect with computer algorithm. And finally, PI enters the third and the final phase. Mainnet only accounts validate as belonging to distinct real individual will be honored, and in other words, even if all other methods missed out on the some bot accounts, this user validation process will further eliminate them because bot owners will not be able to prove bots as a real people with real name. We are currently exploring decentralized KYC process that would be minimally intrusive. नेक्स्ट माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आता है, दैट इज इन दिस ऐप अ वैलेट, या विल वी होल्ड आवर ऑन प्राइवेट या पब्लिक कीज, एंड कैन वी यूज एन एक्सटर्नल वैलेट टू होल्ड आवर PI in the future? So yes, your phones will serve as a cryptocurrency wallet that will be linked to the your current accounts, that's number, your Facebook, linked with any other public blockchain. PI blockchain will also allow in-app or external wallets to hold PI and transact with it by submitting transaction to the blockchain directly. This is the functionality that we have currently scheduled to be provided on the phase third of the project. As a reminder, we are now the phase 1 distributor of the currency. We will then launch a test net on the phase 2, and phase 3 is when our minute will be live. And during the phase third the project, you will also be have the option to take full ownership of your private or public keys. And the last, PI aims to be much more accessible to everybody people, which is why we are trying to build the integrated interface, and we have chosen this phase implementation to make it easier for everyday people it to use. We will still in your early days and are excited for the road ahead for us. Thanks for watching and sharing.